you need to watch this if you struggle with math. Just the word might make you think of boring textbooks and confusing formulas. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when faced with pages of numbers and symbols. But guess what? Math is everywhere. From the architecture of buildings to the rhythm of music, math is an integral part of our daily lives. It's not just about equations, it's about problem solving and using your logic. When you crack a puzzle or figure out a tricky problem, that's math in action, and it can be fun, I promise. Imagine playing games that challenge your mind or working on projects with friends. Math can be a part of all that. Think about it. You use math all the time without even realizing it. Whether you're cooking, shopping, or planning your day, math is there. Figuring out if you have enough money for that cool new video game, that's math. Budgeting and making decisions involve math skills. Dividing a pizza among your friends, math strikes again. Fairly sharing food or resources is another way math helps us. The trick is to find creative ways to tackle those everyday math challenges. With a bit of creativity, math can become a fun part of your routine. Forget memorizing formulas. Let's explore some fun and easy hacks. Together we can make math an exciting adventure. Ever been stuck in a store wondering if you have enough cash? It's a common scenario, especially when you're trying to stick to a budget or make sure you don't overspend. You might feel a bit anxious, unsure if you can afford everything in your cart. Estimation is your new superpower. It's like having a secret weapon that makes shopping and budgeting so much easier. Let's say you're buying snacks and you grab a bag of chips for $3.99 and a soda for $1.75. These small purchases can add up quickly, and it's easy to lose track of how much you're spending. Instead of pulling out the calculator, round those prices up to the nearest dollar. This simple trick can save you time and mental energy. Chips become $3 and soda becomes $2. Easy peasy. This way you can quickly estimate the total cost without getting bogged down by cents. Now add those rounded numbers. $3 plus $2 equals $5. It's straightforward and quick. You know you need at least $5 to cover your snacks. This method helps you stay within your budget and avoid any surprises at the checkout. Estimation isn't about getting the exact answer, it's about getting a quick idea. It's a handy skill that can make your life a lot easier. It's super helpful when you're shopping, budgeting your allowance, or even splitting the bill at a restaurant. By mastering estimation, you can handle your finances with confidence and ease. Fractions can be tricky, right? They can be confusing and hard to visualize, especially when you're just looking at numbers on a page. But what if you could actually see them? What if there was a way to make fractions more tangible and easier to understand? That's where pie charts come in. They turn abstract numbers into visual slices that you can see and compare. Imagine you're baking a cake and need to divide the batter evenly into thirds. It might sound complicated, but with a pie chart, it's simple. Draw a circle. That's your pie chart. This circle will help you visualize the whole cake. Now imagine cutting that pie into 3 equal slices. Each slice is a third of the whole. Each slice represents 1/3 of the cake. It's a clear and simple way to see fractions in action. You can use this method for any fraction. Need to visualize 1/2? Just divide the pie in half. How about 1/4? Simply divide the pie into 4 equal slices. You got it, 4 equal slices. Each slice is 1/4 of the whole pie. Pie charts make fractions way less intimidating and help you understand them better. They turn math into something you can see and touch. Plus, who doesn't love a good pie, even if it's just a drawing? It's a fun and effective way to learn. See, math doesn't have to be a bore. It can be fun and exciting. By using creative methods like estimation and visualization, you can become a math ninja in no time. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Remember, math is all about problem solving and using your logic. So the next time you face a math challenge, take a deep breath, channel your inner math ninja and show that problem who's boss. You've got this.